Hey guys, myself, I'm holding my cell phone and I did not hold my cell phone and my cell phone just go in the ground and like this, like that. You know that? If you know that, comment down below. Oh yeah. And we'll end that video and hope you guys enjoy. Bye.